my loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, hey girl, how you doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a serum that has been a staple in my skincare routine for about 5 months now. It is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Is it worth the hype? Well, let's find out in this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It is absolutely free. Give me a thumbs up and let's jump right into the video. First things first, let's talk about the price. Good Molecules is very accessible and it's affordable, and you can get it almost anywhere you want to shop for your skincare product in Nigeria. This bottle costs about 15,000 naira, and this is the big bottle. This is 75 ml container. It costs about 15,000 naira in Nigeria, depending on where you're getting it from. And it has a smaller bottle of 30 ml. That one costs about 10,000 naira. So you can see that it is affordable, it is vegan, it is fragrance free, which we love and appreciate. So what is inside this serum? This serum contains hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Hyaluronic acid provides deep hydration. It helps with hydrating the skin and making the skin plump. Glycerin is like a big drink of water for your skin. So imagine these two ingredients. So if you are struggling with tight skin, dry skin, fine lines, like when you have your bath, when you wash your face, you have that tight feeling in your face, you need this serum. This serum is your go-to girl. It's going to provide deep hydration for you and make your skin plump. So this is how to apply this serum. You can notice that my skin is damp. You want to make sure you apply hyaluronic acid serum when your face is damp, like when you're out from the shower, or when your skin is dry. Just like spray a bit of water, because if you apply it on bone dry skin, hyaluronic acid is going to pull out the moisture from your skin, and we don't want that. So make sure your skin is damp before you apply hyaluronic acid. And you can see it just sinks in. The texture of this serum is a bit thick, it's not so lightweight. It gives you that deep hydration. So if you have dry skin, and if you have oily skin as well, because I have oily skin, you need hyaluronic acid. Just plump up your skin and give you that deep hydration in your skin. So I let it sit in for about 30 seconds, and you need to seal in the moisture. All that hydration, you want to seal it in with a moisturizer. So I'm just going to take a bit of my moisturizer and apply it on my face, just to seal in the moisture. So that is how to apply it basically, and I use this in my morning routine, in my daytime routine. So you seal in the moisture, you can see how hydrated and moisturized my skin looks. So get you some hyaluronic acid serum today. This serum pairs well under makeup. It is not sticky or heavy, but it gives that deep hydration. Okay, it does exactly what the bottle says it does. If you're a dry skin girly, don't make it as a replacement for your moisturizer. Make sure you use enough moisturizer. All right, so this product is like a 9/10 for me. For the price range and the results, absolutely, I love it. Have you tried this serum before, or have you tried any products from Good Molecules? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I believe this video was helpful. Give me a thumbs up so it can be helpful to other people as well. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all beautiful people in my next video. Bye.